Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mina and I'm proud to have you here. Today we're diving into the second part of our series on health and fitness phrasal verbs. If you missed the first part, make sure to click here and watch it right after this video. In this video, we'll explore 10 more phrasal verbs to stay fit and healthy. So let's get started. Our first phrasal verb, keep up the pace. Repeat, to keep up the pace. Keep up the pace. Keep up the pace. It means to maintain a certain speed or level during physical activity. It's not about falling behind and slowing down. For example, during my morning run, I try to keep up the pace to challenge myself and improve my endurance. It means I continued running at the same speed without slowing down. Next phrasal verb is to drink up. Repeat, drink up, drink up, drink up, drink up. It means to finish your drink, especially water, or empty your glass in order to stay hydrated during exercising. For example, it's important to drink up before, during, and after your exercise in order to avoid dehydration. Next phrasal verb is tone up. Repeat, tone up, tone up, tone up, tone up. It means to improve your muscle shape through exercising. You try to reduce your body fat and improve your muscle mass. For example, adding weightlifting into my routine has helped me tone up my arms and legs. Next useful phrasal verb is to mix up your routine. Repeat, mix up your routine. Mix up your routine. Mix up your routine. It means to vary or change your regular exercise activities or schedule to avoid monotony and achieving better results. Mixing up your routine can definitely lead to better results and experiences. For example, to avoid getting bored, I like to mix up my routine by switching between cardio workouts, weightlifting, and doing yoga. Moving on to push yourself. Repeat, push yourself, push yourself, push yourself. Push yourself. It means to challenge and motivate yourself beyond your comfort zone to achieve fitness progress. It's a way of giving inspiration and dedication to someone who is working out. For example, I decided to push myself by attempting a more advanced yoga pose that I had never tried before. Up next, we have maintain the tempo. Repeat, maintain the tempo. Maintain the tempo. Maintain the tempo. This phrasal verb means to keep the same speed during physical activities. Whether you're jogging, cycling, or practicing a dance routine, it's important to maintain the tempo. Not going faster or slower, but continue at the same steady level. For example, during my morning jog, I try to maintain the tempo to improve my physical activity. I have to tell you that maintain the tempo and keep up the pace are two synonym phrasal verbs. Moving on to wind down. Repeat, wind down, wind down, wind down. After an intense workout, it's important to wind down. It means to gradually relax or reduce activity after doing an intensive workout. For example, following an energetic workout session, I decided to wind down with some soothing stretches in order to lower my heart rate and avoid muscle soreness. An essential thing to do during exercising is to hydrate yourself. Repeat, hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself. This verb is a reminder to drink lots of water during exercising. If you drink enough amount of water, it helps you to maintain proper level of hydration during your workout. For example, it's imperative to hydrate yourself to ensure optimal performance during your workout activities. I love this phrasal verb, persevere through. Repeat, persevere through. Persevere through. Persevere through. It means keep going, not giving up, even if things are so hard and challenging. For example, although I was very tired, I persevered through the tough part of my workout routine. When exercising, executing proper form is crucial. Phrasal verb execute proper form. Repeat. Execute proper form. Execute proper form. Execute proper form. It means to do the exercise with the correct technique for safety and efficiency during workout. For example, my fitness instructor emphasizes on executing proper form during weightlifting in order to prevent injuries. And there you have it. 10 more phrasal verbs about health and fitness that will not only help you boost your English vocabulary, but also discuss your health journey more fluently. Let's take a look at all of them once again and repeat them. Keep up the pace. Keep up the pace. Keep up the pace. Drink up. Drink up. Drink up. Tone up. Tone up. Tone up. Mix up your routine. Mix up your routine. Mix up your routine. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself. Maintain the tempo. Maintain the tempo. Maintain the tempo. Wind down. Wind down. Wind down. Hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself. Persevere through. Persevere through. Persevere through. Execute proper form. Execute proper form. Execute proper form. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. Watch one of these videos here and improve your English. New captivating lessons are coming soon. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next videos.